This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by Thunder Creek Equipment. Learn more about the company's no hazmat, no CDL, field service, and fleet management solutions at thundercreek.com. Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Friday, October 17th, and we're going to start today with e-commerce and parts. John Deere is simplifying its parts ordering operations by incorporating its operations center into the ordering portal at shop.deere.com. Always good stuff from the Historical Construction Equipment Association. Today we look at the Schield brothers cable excavators. These two enterprising farm boys from Iowa took $1,000, built a factory, built 34 machines on their own by 1945. Before incorporating in 1946, they were bought out by 1963, but their legacy lives on in the Schield International Museum in Waverly, Iowa. Read that whole story at constructionequipment.com. And finally today, in new product news, Caterpillar puts new engines into its 440 and 450 backhoe loaders. Have a great weekend. Be safe out there. We'll see you on the next Weekly Iron.